am I supposed to be doing? Nothing.
As usual. Think this thing looks like going down. Where's the? That's you know I wouldn't whatever you want, but when we get this rebar out, then you have a clean shot at everything. There won't be nothing there, right?
Yeah, I'm taking the U-boat.
But I don't know if the back of those ones are cut.
Oh, it is.
Let's take that one.
Yeah.
So he went all the way through there too, then he cut through the rebar there.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Alrighty then. Good to know.
Face the camera showing a beautiful face. This was
Yeah, I'm doing this one's gonna end here pretty soon. We tied the corner and this one can come out. Corner hasn't tightened up yet. There's a shit going on. So?
don't need the snippers when I got this.
That's the second blade?
Pardon me?
That's the second blade?
No. First one.
about that other one around the corner? Can you take the bottom one out around your corner? That one below it? Does that one come out?
I got it.
Or the bottom
Oh,
one?
that bottom good.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a bunch more chipping.
Really? You sure it won't pop out? Where's the fucking
Pretty good. There you go. Too hot?
I gotta go off camera again. Where'd you put the camera? Oh, there you go.
There's no fucking tie wire here, dumbass. Oh, right there, yeah.
Wrong fucking.
Excuse me, what?
Wrong shorts on for the job, bro. Oh, hey, starting to look like nothing there now.
Yeah, I know, right? Scary.
Okay, well, let's think of it this way. You want me to continue on this, or do you want me to go to that corner so you can build that, put something in there, or do I just continue going on where I am? What's the plan? What do you want to have is that really this match which one sink it, right?
Yeah, he's got something good. Even over there, there's something good somewhere.
We've got this fucking corner, we've got to chill it out. And now the rebar going out of the way, so now you can see, right?
Boy, it's easy to do for good.
I wonder how far they cut in here. They went all the way everywhere else. How far did they go?
There's a new pin where you will stick. The rebar cutting him off. Not very far. That's it. Goes right there?
That's what I was seeing.
Okay.
There it is, there, eh?
Oh, there was rebar there, they might have stopped. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Might not be somewhere.
Might be all the way through now.
Maybe I should make something right now about this. So when you get it all on there, all this jam.
Yeah, so it's just a matter of getting a start. You just got to get around that. They might not have cut at the corner with all the rebar standing there, right? So they might have started going through, say, over here. This one has to be cleaned up, right? That's probably the problem. Yeah. So that's what I'm asking. You want me to work here?
Yeah.
Or you want me to work on the front? So I can come back in here. I'll take both of them and fuck around and clean up and I'll get through and I'll take the rest out. What do you want to do? You want to do it? Yeah. I will. We need both jackhammers though. And we board them. The nature of the shit on the roof.
Get a proper measurement.
Okay. We'll all be for the next couple hours.
I got my spot. Well then, camera angle's got to change.
What happened to that little piece of steel? What did I do with it?
God only knows. Here, God only fucking knows. In your pocket. Your fucking arse. On the ground, they left it inside the concrete.
Yeah. Okay, that's what's in there.